Good afternoon, students. Up to last class, we were discussing about the properties of matter, and first property we have discussed color, odor, and their taste. How can we recognize different materials? How the different materials are different in taste, different in odor, different in color. Now, look appearance. Different materials are different in appearance, looking. As you know, some of the materials, some of the persons looking too much smart, too much beautiful. They are, क्या कहते हैं हम लोग, शाइनिंग. आज तो चमक रहे हो भैया. तो this is known as shining in appearance. Some of the matter having shining in appearance, this is known as luster. This property of the matter of the shining is called as luster. And such kind of the materials which are shining in appearance, this characteristic, this shining in appearance is known as lustrous. Is known as lustrous in nature. So some of the material may be lustrous, may be dull in their appearance. As you are looking here, this one is cardboard. Cardboard dull in appearance. Plastic dull in appearance. Paper, stone, soil, these are dull in appearance. Wool dull in appearance. Normally non-metals are dull in appearance. But what about this one, steel? What about your spoon? As you know. What about gold, silver, copper? Such kind of the material shining in appearance, and these are known as lustrous. Metals are generally lustrous in nature. They are shining in appearance, lustrous in nature. Which one? Gold, silver, iron, copper, aluminium. Aluminium foil we use to wrap our paratha, lunch box. Aluminium foil. Got it? So this is the appearance of a matter. How they looking. Got it? So now look. Some of the all the non-metals dull in appearance. All the non-metals dull in appearance, or some non-metals having shining appearance. Diamond, graphite. Diamond appears looking shining in appearance. इसी लोग डायमंड कहते हैं. डायमंड, ग्रेफाइट, आयोडीन. डायमंड, ग्रेफाइट, आयोडीन. These are the non-metals which are non-lustrous. Non-metals may be solid, non-metals may be liquids, or non-metals may be gases. Yes, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, fluorine, hydrogen, helium. These are the non-metals which are gaseous in nature. Got it? So non-metals, non-lustrous, metals lustrous in nature. Some of the non-metals lustrous in nature: graphite, diamond, and iodine. Now are all the metals, as we listen the term metals hard in structure, shining in appearance, but one of the non-metal is the mercury. Mercury is the non-metal which occur in the, which occur in liquid state. And metal तो है. So this mercury is good conductor of heat and shining appearance. Good conductor of heat and shining appearance. Due to these two properties, mercury is filled in the thermometer. Mercury is filled in the thermometer. Why mercury is filled in the thermometer? Yes, why? Why? Due to shining appearance. Now, second portion. When is non-metal is the all kind of the metals, they are shining in appearance all the time? No. The shining appearance of the metals get corroded, tarnished, their surface become dull. Iron, when we put outside, it get rust and its shining appearance goes away. Why? Due to moisture and air. Due to presence of air and moisture. Air means oxygen, moisture means water. That's why during rainy season, most of the iron articles get rusted. Got it? Now look, some of the materials are soft in touch. Cotton, sponge, these clothes, these are soft in touch. Why these are soft in touch? Because they compress easily. The materials which compress easily are soft in touch. The materials which are difficult to compress, yes, hard material. Got it? So the objects which are, some of the objects compress easily, some of the material do not compress easily. Compress easily, softness. The difficult to compress, hardness. Hard objects. You will write any 10 hard objects in your notebook, any 10 soft objects in your notebook.